Idee von Sound of Soul?
The idea behind Sound of Soul is to mirror the beauty of people. Unaltered, uncorrected, not improved, but simply presenting the liveliness of each individual in the present here and now, showing through a form of vibration that everyone can understand, through sound, music and color.
Musik ist ein ganz wichtiges Element.
Music is a vital element in promoting health. The second element is light, which I like to include because I believe in the future it will have a high potential in influencing people positively and will be capable of giving people living in a modern society back what is missing from their lives. Moreover, I am happy when a system concentrates on themes like health, resilience and stress resistance, and in this respect, in my opinion, this system has integrated the theme of light very successfully, and that is a good sign. The person is connected much like with ECG and HRV, and the heart rate variability is measured, recorded and evaluated as a side product. The main product of Sound of Soul, though, is the heart rate variability converted into sound and color, meaning that a person can experience him or herself in his or her own sounds and colors. With the Sound of Soul software, HRV data can be recorded and saved automatically. With the help of the Sound of Soul editing program, the values of the HRV data can be professionally adjusted, analyzed and summarized in a customized report. Furthermore, individual HRV recordings can be compared with the software in order to document the progression and success of the treatment. Besides the HRV data, the Sound of Soul software also automatically records sound recordings so that it is possible to immediately perpetuate the beautiful sounds on a CD. Another alternative of Sound of Soul is that two people can connect and merge, allowing you, for example, to tap into the heart rate variability of a man and a woman and convert both their vibrations collectively into sound and color. In this way, they can experience and meet each other in their common beauty in sound and color.
Meine therapeutische Arbeit.
My therapeutical work is a labor of love which connects a person who entrusts him or herself into my care with me. Sound of Soul is an instrument capable of doing a lot of preparatory work. That means I can connect two people before they even embark on treatment. Thereby, it gives them an even greater openness, increasing the value of the therapy. They are more awake and sensitive and can already simply feel their own beauty. Often, we think in terms of symptoms. That is, we think the sick person who feels ill will probably not sound beautiful and the healthy person will surely sound beautiful. The lovely thing about heart rate variability, HRV, is, when converted into sound, that every single person sounds beautiful. It makes me very happy that the Sound of Soul system finds approval by so many different people, doctors, therapists, alternative practitioners, etc. Since its launch 2 years ago, it has already been used in 17 different countries. I believe the unusual and exceptional that touches so many people is that they can experience themselves in the beauty of their own sound, in the present, here and now.
Actually, every patient gets to use the Sound of Soul system during their treatment. All I can say is that everyone responds to it. They don't have to believe in anything. They are just fascinated that such a thing exists. They have never known anything like it. They feel good, and that is enough to convince them.
Also ich habe es eben selber erlebt.
I experienced it myself to have a tremendously calming effect, strangely enough. That it calms the sympathetic nervous system. This is an encounter with something really new that influenced me, and this is how I explain that it could have such an effect on relaxing the sympathetic nervous system.
I've been working for over 30 years in classical massage therapy and kinesiotherapy and have done further education in traditional Chinese therapy, Ayurveda massage therapy, and energy treatment. I am very happy that I got to know the Sound of Soul system and can integrate it into my treatment concept.
Das hat mich von Anfang an begeistert.
It fascinated me right from the start. I find the whole idea great, and that one doesn't always put so much stress on the deficiencies of the patient. You cannot do this, and that is why there is a problem and you are ill and all these things. I looked at the system in December 2011 and have been using it since January 2012.
I know no other system that treats a person as individually as this system does. Even just the integration of such important elements like light, music, and physiology are essential components that a system needs in order to contribute to stress reduction effectively.